Good morning, class 4th. We have done 3 chapters, class 4th, and today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, more on MS Word. Why it is more on MS Word? Because you must have studied about the MS Word application in class 3. MS Word application is present in Windows in the MS Office package, okay, and you must have studied its what basic functions or functionalities it provides to us. Now let's see what this chapter has stored for us. We will be studying all these topics in MS Word, but let's see first the introduction. In previous class we have learned about word processor. It is used to type the text on a computer. MS Word is the most popular word processor used nowadays. So children, in word processor, you have studied about the word processor in the previous class. Let's revise what you must have studied. Word processor is just like food processor. So what is the function of food processor? You must have seen food processor at your home. They are different from the devices such as blenders, etc. Why? Because food processor, you can take the food processor of any company. It has many functionalities in it. It can be used for variety of tasks, okay, but like devices like blender or chopper, these can be used for few tasks only. Like blender is used for blending only, chopper is used for chopping vegetables, etc. So they are designed for a specific task, but food processor is designed for carrying out variety of tasks. Same is the function of word processor. Means the word processor is the application in which many tasks related to the written word can be performed before it actually goes for printing, before we take the hard copy of it, or we save the soft copy and use it for our purpose. Okay children, means many tasks like cutting, pasting, changing the format, etc. We can perform with the written word, and that is why it is called word processor, and MS Word is the most popular word processor. Many parents of your parents must be using these word processor also. So if you will ask them also, those if they are using computer and computer applications for their work, they will also say that mostly they use MS Word only. It is that popular, and it is popular everywhere, not just in our city or in our school, but everywhere. Now you have learned about MS Word 2007. You can recall what you have learned in the previous classes by seeing the picture given below. So we will see the picture of this screen. This is the welcome screen of MS Word. Okay, welcome screen is the first screen that appears to us when we open the application. That is the welcome screen. So here we can see first is quick access toolbar, from where we can quickly access the various commands. Office button, this is office button. Cursor means mouse pointer has changed to cursor, and here we can start writing. Status bar, it is given here, status bar. Then document area, this is the document area, or like the writing area, or we can say it is like the page of our copy where we are doing our work. Then ribbon, this is ribbon, it is showing various commands, etc. Then close button, maximize button, and minimize button. Okay, you know these you know the function of these buttons. And this is the title bar. Right now there is no title of the document because the document is not saved, children. That is why there is no title here, only document 1 is written. and this is Microsoft Word, the name of the application. Okay. So, this is the welcome screen. You must have studied and also you must have seen this welcome screen if you have opened MS Word. Okay. And those who have system at their home, they can check in this system also. They can open and check all these various labeling parts that we have done just now. There are two parts of the ribbon, tabs and groups. They contain commands arranged in different groups. Home tab is generally used for editing and formatting text. So, there are two parts of the ribbon, that is tabs and groups. There are different groups, clipboard group, then font group, paragraph group, and these groups are divided by this thin line. Can you see this thin line? Here, here, then this group is ending here and like this. So, these are different groups, okay, and these are different tabs which we can open to see the commands. Okay. Home tab is generally used for editing and formatting text. So, when we click on Home tab, it will show us these commands. When we will click on this Insert tab, it will click on, we can see these commands. Like that, various commands are given to you. Okay, children.